Hello guys, you're welcome back to Fintech Space, and in this video I want to show you how you can move your tone from the centralized exchanges. And in this video I'm making use of Bybit, so whichever centralized exchange that you want to make use of is still going to follow the same procedure, the same protocol. So once you're able to understand the basics, you can do that on any exchange. Do you get that? So how you can move your tone from Bybit to your decentralized wallets, the likes of Tonkeeper, Bitget, or Telegram wallet, and the likes like that. Do you get that? So it's just going to be a very straightforward video. Please make sure that you stay focused, because many people get to lose their assets in this doing this. Do you get that? Because they didn't follow the due process. All right guys, let's get started. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be sending tone from Bybit to Tonkeeper. Do you get that? So I'll be sending tone from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So you can also make use of any wallet that supports tone. Do you get that? All right, let's get started. So what do I want to do? First and foremost, I want to make sure that what I have, the amount of tone that I have, is enough to be sent out of Bybit. So how do you get to know? So just click on your tone. Now you have it already on your trading account. You cannot withdraw out from your trading account. So what do you have to do? You have to transfer your tone from the trading account to the funding account. Do you get that? You get to transfer from trading account to your funding account. That is where you are going to be able to see the withdrawal option. Do you get that? So now let's click on transfer. So you have it here already showing for you. So you are transferring from your unified trading account to your funding account. And so what are you transferring? So it's already picked tone for you. So if tone is not there, you can just click on this arrow. It will give you other list of coins or assets that you have. So what are you, how much of the tone are you moving to the funding account? Do you get that? So, and in this case I want to move everything, so you can just click on max, or you type in the amount that you want, so, and then click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it will be moved to, you can see, transferred successfully. So you can now go back to your what, you can go back to your funding account. Do you get that? So right now back to the funding, just as you have it here. This is where we moved it from. We moved it from here, we brought it here. Do you get it? So click on funding. So once you click on funding, you will get to see what you've already brought there. So you should see your tone here already. So just as you have it here, it is what is topping my wallet, my account. So just click on tone. So when you click on tone, you can see you now have several options here. You can see you already have deposit, withdraw, and some other free that was in the previous place that we were before. So now what do you want to do? You want to withdraw it out. Do you get? So just click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, these are what you need to provide. Now you can see that the minimum withdrawal for tone is 0.2. That is to tell you, if the tone that you are sending out is less than 0.2, you cannot send it. Do you get that? So you have already been cut out. Do you get it? So that means for any tone that you want to send from Bybit to, or any wallet, if you are sending from Bybit to another centralized exchange or to another wallet, it's the minimum that you should send will be 0.2. Do you get that? So that has already been sorted out. So now let's go to our Tonkeeper wallet to copy the address of the wallet that I am sending it to. Mind you, I want to send from Bybit to Tonkeeper, and I am sending tone. So now let us go to the Tonkeeper wallet to copy the wallet address. All right, so this is my Tonkeeper, and then I want to copy my Tone coin wallet address. So this is Tone coin. So I'm just going to what, you're going to click on the Tone coin, or you can also click on receive, then you select Tone coin, whichever one, but just go with clicking on Tone coin directly. Do you get that? So let's click on Tone coin directly. So you are going to have this interface again. So then what do you now do? You click on receive, because you want to receive from another external account or external wallet. So just click on receive. So once you click on receive, it will take you to this page where you can get to click on copy. So you click on copy. Once you click on copy, it will copy the wallet address for Toncoin for you. So and as you can see, send only Toncoin and tokens in Tone network to this address, or you might lose your funds. That's a strong warning. So many people have lost their funds trying to send from a wrong network. Do you get that? So that is sorted already. Okay, let's continue. So we've already copied the address. So what do? You come and paste the address here. So you code it, and then you paste in the address. So you paste in the address. So once you paste in the address here, so then you are going to click here to select the network, and the network you are selecting is what? Is Ton. Ton. That is the network you are selecting. Mind you, the name of the token we are sending is Ton, and also the name of the network is also Ton. Do you get that? So don't mix it up. So there's no need for a memo, because there is no memo or tag where we copied the wallet address from. But if it were to be that it was there, we must also copy it. That is very important. But since it's not there, that means it is not needed. It's optional. Do you get that? So okay guys, let's proceed. We are going to click here to select the drop down menu, and then we pick Tone from there. So with what we have here, so the fee is 0.1 ton, and that is $0.52. So you get that. So that is why it's not advisable you are sending something small. So if you are spending 0.1 to send 0.2, you can see that you're at a loss. So you get that. So it's better you just deal with all these peer-to-peer traders that you might have as friends and colleagues. Do you get that? But if you want to buy from exchanges, just ensure that you buy something worthwhile, so that, because you are still going to pay the same charges sending 500 ton for sending $5 ton, or sending 2 ton or 1 ton. So you get that. So just maximize your losses or your risks or your transaction fees. So let's just click on ton. We are selecting ton, so just click on ton. So now we've already selected the network as Ton. So and as you can see again, it's still showing you that the minimum that you can withdraw is 0.2. So I want to withdraw everything, so I'm going to click on max. So now if I click on max, it has already removed its own transaction fee. So that means I'll be receiving 1.75 approximately. That is what I'm going to be receiving. So and the charges is 0.1 ton. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So click on withdraw. All right, so just confirm. So now you get to validate the transaction. Do you get that? So once you authenticate the transaction, so your withdrawal application is submitted, and then you should wait for like 1 to 2 minutes. Just click on OK, and then you will get to receive it so in your wallet. So let's go back to check our wallet if it's dropped already. Okay, so let's go back to our Tonkeeper and see if we've received already. So we can refresh. It hasn't dropped yet, so let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes for it to drop. So it has arrived already, just as you have it here. So it's arrived already, and then yeah, we are good to go. Just as simple as that. You already have it in your Tonkeeper wallet. Just straightforward, just like that. All right guys, if you enjoyed this video and you really enjoyed it, kindly like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and make sure that you also drop your comments and feedbacks in the comment section below, and also share with your friends, share with people, so that also they also get to equip themselves with this knowledge. All right guys, until next time, this is FinTech Space. Bye for now.